KevG weather overview with the satellite picture, and this is on Sunday night at around 6:30. I'm recording this, so you can see on the satellite lots of clouds and LOL, lots of lightning, and it's showing up on the satellite picture very bright, and it is showing up over southern New Jersey as these slow-moving thunderstorms just bubble up, and areas to the west of New York City have seen the most in the way of thunderstorm activity these last few days, and I think that'll gradually change as we go through the week. Areas that have not really experienced much in the way of rain, say New York City and Long Island, I think that's going to change over the next several days. And that's just due to the overall slow-moving nature of the weather pattern. I think that you can see here the rainfall the past 24 hours. I circled New York City, Long Island, because rainfall has been under 1/10 of an inch in a lot of places. But the drop-off is very quick once you get west of the city. There's been quite a bit of rain over areas to the west, western New Jersey specifically, southeast PA, and you can see on the satellite picture that that's what's happening today. So all this is going to shift ever so slowly east over the next several days, and we're looking at a severe weather threat for tomorrow, and this is a pretty significant one. And what's scary about this severe weather threat is that it targets, from the Storm Prediction Center, it targets areas that have gotten bad weather all this month. If you've had to line up the worst of the weather in terms of who's gotten the most abuse from thunderstorms, it would be this very area that's targeted for severe weather tomorrow. And I think that'll be the case. This is a damaging wind threat. You're going to see storms that are capable of producing winds over 60 miles an hour in this red zone. And then further north, it's over New York City and Long Island. The risk is not zero. So this is a late day and early evening type situation, but I think because of the fact that it's going to be closer to the end of the day, areas to the south of the city probably stand the best chance, and that's probably why the Storm Prediction Center has what they have out for tomorrow. Now, the models have been terrible. They basically have shown areas of general rainfall, and this is what they're showing for the balance of the week. But what I think the takeaway from this is that it's a slow-moving weather pattern where the system that's in the upper levels of the atmosphere is very slow to get out. So as it pushes east, it's going to do it ever so slowly. So areas that haven't seen that much in the way of rain will probably get into more rain over the next 24 to 48 hours. And then by Wednesday or Thursday or so, that rainfall chance will slowly diminish as that upper feature moves off the coast, and then the weather pattern becomes a lot more stable. So that's basically the game plan as far as the overall week is concerned. And the temperatures, they're going to be around normal, but it's muggy. That warm front took forever to move through on Friday night, but now that it's done so, we are in the soup, as they say. Monday, high around 82 with a lot of clouds around, and I think clouds will be the main story for the beginning of the week, but it'll be muggy and warm. Tuesday, the same thing. And then Wednesday, our rain chances are going to slowly diminish because that upper system is going to be moving through. We can't, let our guard down completely, especially along the coast, since that upper system is going to be moving to the east in such a slow manner. So by Thursday, though, I think a large portion of the area will be in the clear, so to speak. But, it'll be a test of whether the upper system keeps moving as it should. And then by Friday, I think it'll be the most pleasant day with highs around 82 because that upper feature will be long gone. So we're going to deal with some rough weather over the next 24 hours, and I think that we'll have severe weather threat also on Tuesday. I would keep an eye out for that as well, but definitely areas to the south of the city tomorrow. Look out for potentially strong damaging winds with any thunderstorms that move through Monday afternoon into Monday night.